Hi, this video is going to show about our new coming faceplate, and basically right now we have this setup. Okay, so here's the faceplate itself. Basically, as this faceplate, it's a UK single gun size or US double gun size. So right now I already have like 3 input sources are connected: HDMI, VGA, and the display port. And here we have like 3 buttons for the source switching. Like right now, if I just press the VGA, then you will just switch to the VGA input source. Press DP, then you will just switch to the DP input source, right? Okay, so this is the way for the source switching. And then here, we're just using like 1 lane Cat6 cable and up to 70 meters, then to the receiver. On this faceplate, we can see right now we didn't use the DC power adapter because we can get the power from the receiver side. So on the receiver side right now, we have the connections. We have the HDMI connect to this projector here. Then we have the audio embedded, and then we also have the oscillator, which I'm just going to control our projector on off and the settings. And here's the hdbaseT input and the DC. Okay, so now I'm just going to long press the button, then we can just power on off the projector. Okay, we'll just long press this HDMI button for 2 seconds. It will just turn on the projector. If we long press the VG button for 2 seconds, then it will just turn off the projector, right? Okay, then we can just press the HDMI button for 2 seconds, then we can have it power back. So basically, just because this faceplate, we can just do the programming. We can have the send the commands. If we long press the button for like 2 seconds, then we can just send the commands to turn on the to send the commands directly from this faceplate over the Cat6 cable up to 100 meters, then to receiver, then from the receiver to the projector, right? Okay. This one also can support like the PC software control, and right now it's the PC software, and we can just use this software for the control switching, and also like we can configure the commands, like the one which I'm just controlling the projector. Okay, and here we also have like the caption, which we can just name the buttons, like control buttons, right? And also here we have the EDID. EDID is like we have the built-in EDID, but we also can just copy the EDID bypass. And also we have the update and about, and I will see things. Okay, so for the connection, and we can just see on the back side, because on the back side right now we can see we have the USB-C here, which is for the upgrade, or we can use as the oscillator control. Like right now I'm just going to have the Type-C cable, okay, USB-A to USB-C cable connected to this port, so I can just use the software for the controls. So now I'm just going to have this software connected. Right, so just choose the COM5, then click connect. Right, once it's here changed to as connected, then we can just from the PC, then we can do the controls. Back to the switch interface. If we right now we switch to the VG input, right? Switch to the DP input. We also can switch the working mode for this faceplate as auto or as manual, right? We can just press this button, then that means we have it working as auto. Auto, that means like when we disconnect one of the input source, then we'll just auto switching to another input, such as right now I'm going to switch to the HDMI input, right? If I just disconnect the HDMI input now, then we'll just auto switching to the another DP input. But if I just reconnect the HDMI, then we'll just back again. Right, this is the auto switching. And also here we also have like the 10 control buttons here. So these 10 control buttons, we can just do the programming from here, then we can just send the oscillator commands. Like right now I just have this power on, which is for the projector. I also have the second control button is as the power off. If I hit the control 2, it will just like turn off the projector. Right, if I want to turn it back, then we just go back to the control button 1. Then we will have the projector turning back. Right, this is the PC control software and the configuration settings and also updating. And also, like I showed before, we also can just long press the buttons to send like 3 commands, because we only have 3 buttons here. So we can just send the country 1, country 2, and country 3 by these commands. And this faceplate also can support like the Australia to country. We have the commands here. So we can just use the commands to country this faceplate by just like Australia software or by a keypad. Next video, we're going to show you how to use a keypad to control this faceplate. Okay, thank you.